people that used to live across some of the Roman shops for Caerwent. Now there's loads of different stages of shops in Caerwent, as you can see. There's loads of higgledy areas.
Are we allowed to go in there?
And there's indications of industrial activity. And if I can jump over here, it's likely as well that that's the division of the two buildings. So there's a little lane going down there. Okay, so this is one shop built over different stages, and you can imagine that there's a bit of a plinth there, and there's a bit of a plinth there. So it's likely that these would have had columns, and there may have been some kind of veranda here. But this is actually from varying different stages, and that there isn't just a weird bit of a dip. Okay, there would have been slabs over there. Can you just see the slabs? They're actually coming in there. This would have been all slabbed off. This would have been drainage. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're going to go over to the sign, and you can have a look what one of the stages of this building would have looked like. So if you want to follow me, we all want to go along here. Remember that the walls that you're actually seeing are from different stages, and about 3 or 4 stages of building of walls here. So if we all move on.
Do you reckon that's an oven?
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Circular bath. Corner bath.
We didn't need much to open the imagination of what I explained, did I? So there you've got a plinth, and I mentioned you'd have had a column.
Bonnie.
And where Kathy's standing there in that building, this is this of the building behind. It basically says a single-storey building. They're saying it's a single-storey building because the walls are relatively thin. An excavation showed that the workshop to the nearest building was a blacksmith's, but the other could not be fully investigated. So this one, you've got the idea of blacksmith. So I mentioned about metalworking. Within 50 years, the two shops were joined into one, still with a blacksmith workshop. So this sense of having blacksmithies, metalworking in Caerwent is key to what's going on, because they've got something to export, but they must have been producing a lot of metal to have actually exported this in the first place. And then it says in AD 350, further changes that created a 3-wing courtyard building. Okay, so there you've got all this higgledy-piggledy stuff. You can see that I said that you've got varying different stages of build, which are really very difficult to work out. And this colonnade, this colonnaded portico veranda going along the front into this very large building. And this was in the 350s. So this tells you that there's a hell of a lot more life in the Roman city of Caerwent to go after the 350s. So what we have therefore the word vicus is the word used when we attach a Roman civilian settlement onto a Roman fort. That's known as the vicus. This is a set civilian city. That's the difference. So I think these plans are really useful. Most of them are from the time of Aaron Sorrell, 1958 to about 1960. And what you can see, the area where we've walked all the way along here, all the way down here. I showed the south gate there, and I showed the lake. You can see the weird shape. It's not really aligned properly.